Alright, this is going to be a video of this 52-inch Monterey branded hugger ceiling fan that I got from the Habitat Restore. Brand new in box. It's from 1987, and it has reversible oak to cane blades. I decided to just use the plain oak side because the cane is just generic cane. That's I find that to be very common, so I just wanted to switch things up a little bit, and I actually think it looks quite good, just plain oak. And I added a decorative light kit to it. It's a schoolhouse, not included with a fan. Turn that on. It looks really nice, I think. I'm using a 60 watt equivalent bulb in there, an energy efficient one. So it's a decent amount of light, I guess. Let me turn that off. And I also decided to add decorative tassels to it, because originally I just included just boring plain pendants like this, but I decided to add something a bit decorative, so I added some tassels. Anyway, I'm going to turn the fan on now and start with high speed. Here's bottom view. It's a pretty powerful fan for a 52-inch hugger, actually. It's pretty impressive. Moving a lot of air. Here's a top view. Yeah, we get the idea. Alright, here's what it looks like with the light on, running. Hopefully it's not gonna blur the camera too much, but yeah. Anyway, here's medium. It's gonna slow down a little bit, maybe to around, how I was going, maybe 130 RPMs, rough guess. Medium is now going to go maybe about 110, maybe 100. Still relatively fast. It has a slight wobble, but nothing too serious. Now for low, which is going to go down maybe to about 50, maybe 55. Right, and off. Slow that down. It has pretty good bearings, actually, for sitting in a box since, 1987. It's actually, bearings held up nicely. This fan has a really, really big motor, and it's really heavy, too. I think fully assembled, it's roughly 15 pounds, so for a hugger, it's not really that light, because a lot of hugger fans, weigh, I don't know, 10 pounds fully assembled. This one's roughly 15, so it's heavier than your average modern day hugger, and for good reason too. Everything's very solid, very thick metal. Anyway, now I'm going to talk about my opinion on the fan. I would have to give it actually a solid 5 out of 5. It does the job very well, very high quality. Pretty nice looking too, with just the plain oak. With cane, I'm sure it looks good too, but yeah. Anyway, yeah. So I think this is the perfect blend of a nice looking fan and a well performing fan. Because nowadays, sometimes you get just the good looks, but performance sucks. Back in the 80s, fans didn't always look that great, but they performed much better than a lot of today's fans. I can tell you that. Well, on the other hand, this fan does have some disadvantages, like one of the blades is bent. Can't really seem to fix that. But it doesn't really wobble the fan too much, so that's not all that much of a concern. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and lots more cool videos to come, I do promise.